Okay, so yeah, it looks like they finally got the tar base down. I figured since, I can't sleep, why not? I'll get up and do some content. We'll see what happens, right? I guarantee you, as soon as I get off into some things, it's going to sound like 30 drum lines are performing in front of my house. But we're going to see if I can do some content in intervals. Excuse me, in intervals in the middle of the county repaving my street. Good old 7 a.m. I knew I was going to sleep today. I really did. Looks like that is fake news, allegedly.